Hey everybody, Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach, Florida. We're your local Boston Whaler dealer here in South Florida. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this special boat that just arrived, the brand new 2026 36 Outrage from Boston Whaler. This one's real special because it's triple V10 400s on the back of it. Beautiful classic white hull. This one came in with the summer kitchen option in the back as well instead of the bench seat. So you have a barbecue built in, a big live well, a wet sink, lots of storage. Look at those V10 400s. It's about a 60-mile-an-hour boat with this engine package. It's a huge 36, people. Big electric sunshade off the hardtop, rocket launchers. Nice aft-facing seat here with fold-down backrest, which doubles as a table or cutting board. Standard port side dive door that actually folds in. Big insulated fish boxes in the floor, macerated as well. This is the optional starboard side pull-out bench seat. And here is your summer kitchen. Gorgeous electric grill, big live well, freshwater sink, lots of storage. Triple helm seats here with the high gloss teak accent. Upgraded acrylic dash with twin 16-inch Simrads, joystick piloting of course. This is a Seakeeper equipped boat, big electronics box, Simrad VHF. It's actually a Bluetooth VHF. You do have air conditioning at the helm. This boat does have a generator as well. Look at the size of the head compartment. It's actually a cabin. Sleep too easily. Nice easy walk down. Wet sink in here. Vacuum flush toilet. Take a little shower in there if you want to. You wouldn't think that much space is here in the 36. Look at the bow area here. Big coffin box. Sun lounge here with storage underneath. You have big bow lounges up here with backrests that will go up to make a chaise. Optional table on this one up front here. Filler cushion here. Access to your windlass. It's all concealed. This beautiful, beautiful windshield with wiper. And you have an electric vent also that opens up. Optional dive door ladder, standard dive door ladder with dedicated storage. Look at the size of the JL audio subwoofer. Your stereo systems are so well set up with Whaler. Look at these gorgeous triple helm seats. You actually have a drop down platform also, which helps with us vertically challenged individuals to give you a little better visibility out of the helm. Another view from the helm. You have access up this ladder here to get up to your hardtop if you need to. Again, Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach, 954-783-9555. We're your local Boston Whaler dealer here. This is a 2026 Boston Whaler 360 Outrage. Give you a quick little shot of our full service marina here and showroom. Again, give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Thanks for watching.